Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sudhakar Swaminathan. Did I pronounce that last name good? Okay, great. And he is like crazy about this Rubik's Cube and can really do it fast. His fastest time is 32 seconds. So we are going to see if he is telling the truth. So Kulveer is our timekeeper right here. So tell me when to start.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go. All right.
Oh, it does. It does. This is different than hanging out with teenagers and having an arm wrestle. Right. You know, it's amazing. It always amazes me, though. I mean, it really does. How fast it comes together and how fast it comes down. I mean, it's just like that. And we had to deserve something, right? And best in that, and I still have to say it's because that's the hard things. You just get the pieces, right? And everybody does, right? Right. And then we decided to put grilled fruit because people may not. What did you put on that fruit card? When you grilled it, you had one of them there, and you push it sort of away from the coals. Yeah. It looks really good. I've not had that before. It was fabulous. Yeah, it's cherry.
Can he really do it? Uh-oh, it's almost there. He's got one side. Done. Done. Okay, what do we have here? Not quite 32 seconds, but quite impressive. 1 minute and 15 seconds. All right. Look, right, you got to turn it all around so we can... Oh, yep, he's telling the truth. Okay. All right, great job.